Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I want to talk to parents, fathers, mothers, and young men about money and finances. The first time we encounter money is through the tooth fairy, or when grandma gives us a jar of pennies. Then you might be getting a weekly allowance. Could happen. There's no true understanding about how you get paid with money. We should incorporate a time to lay out the monthly bills, the house, insurance, college, car, and how much is spent, how much money is spent and should be saved. Letting them know, the young men, that money is not grown on trees and the household utilities aren't free or magically paid. The money to buy food, clothes, pay bills is worked for every day at a job. Nothing is free or given without paying for it. So preparing yourself to enter the workforce and adulthood is paramount. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Right here, I want to talk to the young men about saving money, their financial literacy. It's very important on how you're going to end up in the future. So financial literacy can benefit you if you understand it and know it. So one of the first things you think about is they say you need to save 10% of what you earn every month. So that's a good practice. Save 10% of what you earn every month. You also need to have a plan so that you can follow your plan, keep track. Make a budget so you know what you're spending, so you don't go beyond what you're spending and don't take away from your savings. You want to envision the future. The future, I want to have this, do this, so that you know you're saving for that. Tracking your spending can help you keep in line with what you're going to do, where you're going. Very important. And there's also the knowledge of the 50-30-20 rule. So financial literacy is something that young men need to understand. If you need more on that, hit me up and I'll get back to you and explain that to you a little more in depth. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. The survival of everyone depends on their ability to work and receive pay for doing that job. We live in a country where there is an abundance of jobs that provide good pay for a day's work. There are countries around the world where there is no work and people are starving. In this country, each young man has their future and how successful they will become in their own hands. All that is required is for that young man to to get an education and develop the career to succeed. There are so many opportunities to work and get paid even before starting your career. So there's no reason not to be living a good life. That's all for now, guys. If you like this video, hit me up, make a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. And as always, peace and blessings. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they bout to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds, so stand with thee.